Let's go.
Okay, the control is currently in its default startup mode. Right now it has not been homed. In this mode you really can't do nothing other than home the control. Manual, it will not let you move anything. To home the control, you press the home button. So once an axis has been homed, a home status light will come on. It'll then go to its master location. Once it's mastered the probes, it'll then go back to its park location. These lights indicate its park status. Now, since we have homes and the gauge has been mastered, we can now do manual moves, selecting the feed rate. Rapid would be fast, feed would be slower, and then slow is a real slow. Whereas feed is faster, and rapid is fast. We can also clamp the part from here. We can also do testing parts from here, but it'll only allow you to check a part when it's safe to do so. When the button shows up, that means it's in a safe location for checking the part, which we can then do. It'll now send the data to the spreadsheet. We also have software limits. Once you've exceeded the limits of the travel of the control, actually the button will disappear. And that's true on both axes. So it will now allow you to wrap it out of a safe area. Okay, that's the manual mode. In auto, we can part the gauge, we can tell its status by the lights. We can release the part or clamp the part. In the program mode, this is the program screen. This field is where you enter in the length of the part, and it's just simply done through the keyboard. This is your start location. If I wanted to start at the beginning of its safe location, I would just enter in this number or enter in a 0. It would then automatically put it at that. If I wanted to start some other location, say 25 millimeters from the X on the X, and say 25 on the Y, and as long as it has a length, a width, and starting location, and the number of checks you want to make per axis. This would be 20 checks on the X, 3 on the Y. This here defines your path. Switching this will define whether it's going to check the Y-axis first, then make its X move, or make its X moves and then make its Y moves. In the program, this is auto mode. You must clamp a part before a program will run. When you're running a program, it's now displaying its current position, its target position, and at any time you can stop the program. It'll then return back to its park position.